This is the Merrill 1.2 482M lever arm for the Ritchie Hydrants. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of the bag here. So the lever arm is full cast iron. We can go ahead and take a couple measurements of it as well, starting with a total length. So from end to end, the lever arm measures right at just about 7 1/4 inches. And we can also get a width. We'll get a width here and here as well. Right there, it measures right about 1 3/4 inches. And we'll get one here as well, and that'll measure right at 1 3/4 inches, or 1 1/4 inches. Yes, so once again, this is the Merrill 1.2 482M lever arm.